Hello friend, I'm not sure kung i-upload ko tong video na to, but anyway, di ba sabi ko real talk tayo, and this is the real talk of real talk. Because last night I was very vulnerable, couldn't sleep, bad news after bad news, it struck my boat basically, so daming mga bagay na naratel ako. Pero alam nyo, kahit na struggling ako kagabi, I remember all my posts, yung mga content na shinare ko sa inyo. I went back to it, pinanood ko. So, nabigyan ako ng kalakasan. Pero, the reason I'm sharing this, just to let you know guys, that no matter how difficult life is, palagi naman may solution, di ba? Palagi namang mayroong mga bagay na binibigay ang Panginoon natin para masolusyonan ng mga problema. I just wanna be real to you guys. Sa channel na to, di ba sabi ko, walang pretentious. Everything is real. We talk about things na mahirap pag-usapan. Hindi sa ito eh. So if you think that I've got it all together, no, my friend. It's the opposite. Ang daming pagsubok, ang daming dumarating sa buhay. But I'm hanging on. And I hope and pray that you do the same. Ito, just finished my lunch. So I decided to release the steam, ika nga. So I'm hoping na makahelp sa inyo in this short video that we are all vulnerable. That's why we need really a good support crew, whether it's your family, whether your friend, pero most of all, talagang makikita natin na kailangan natin ng Panginoon. Kasi last night I was really crying my heart out. And last time that I experienced this was 2016. Yung father ko passed away. In fact, 2 episodes. 2010 is the first one that I experienced such a thing. And talagang I was really sobbing and really down. Yun naman, relationship issue. So, yes. Then, pangalawa, yung 2016. So, grabe, di ba? So, ganun katindi. Yes, last night I was really down, but not out, Down in the sense na talagang ang dami kong hininga sa Panginoon. Ang dami kong inasa sa Panginoon na tulungan ako dahil I was really struggling. It was difficult. Even breathing was hard, to be honest. So I have to exercise yung aking breathing technique, the pause, yung ba mga ganon. So, pinanghawakan ko yung salita ng Panginoon. I hold on to His promises and sabi ko, Lord, di ba sabi sa Jeremiah 29:11 that you will give us a hope and a future, di ba? Hindi nyo naman kami bibigyan ng mga bagay na hindi namin kaya. And then, slowly, I feel a lot better. Although, syempre, without a sleep, it's hard the next day, di ba? Reason I'm sharing this, guys, is there's always hope. Huwag tayo mawalan ng pag-asa. And I'm sharing this to you in a vulnerable state, So, don't say na, oh, Glenn always got it. You always have the answer, mga ganon. So, hindi ganon. So, I just wanna share to you guys. May tumatawag, dali. yan, wala na. So, yun nga, I really want to encourage you guys that no matter what we are going through, if we have the Lord with us, if we had God with us, hindi tayo niya pababayaan. Sometimes hindi natin nakikita, hindi natin nararamdaman, but He's working in the background. God is so good. He's good when we get blessed, and He's good if we don't get blessed at all, o di natin nakukuha yung mga dasal natin. Because most of the time, hawak niya talaga ang yes and not yet. So, I just want to encourage you guys that kapit lang tayo. Pray for one another. Help one another as much as we can. And don't give up. Don't give up. So, okay, I had to go back to the office. So stay safe, guys, Stay peaceful. And I'm hoping that someone got encouraged today. So please share this message, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Okay? And as always, God bless. Take care. Peace.